Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video, we will be looking at our best trading strategy for trading step index. Okay, best trading strategy for trading step index. Okay, that is what we will be looking at in today's video. For a while now, we've been discussing about different strategies which we can use to trade boom and crash successfully, and I've been getting some of my subscribers asking about other assets, most especially step index, and that is why I'm going to be starting a full training session for step index this week, and we will see how far we will go about it. But before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is Qora Digital Cash, and it is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just take your time to browse through the channel, watch some of my video clips, make sure you practice and understand and perfect your skills on your demo account first before trying them out on your real account. This is very vital and important. Okay, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. Probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you want to know more about my trading tools, or maybe you even want to ask some questions based on the videos you watch. Feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box in the description box below this video. Okay, and of course, if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now, and also turn on the notification bell beside it so all notifications, that way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, so let's go straight into what we have right away. Okay, just like you guys know, our step index is also a synthetic indices. It is also a part of synthetic indices, and of course it's it moves just like volatility 75, but not as volatile as that of volatility 75, and it works in a unique way, and it does not have this sudden reaction in price action like we have in boom and crash. You know, the sudden spikes that happens in boom and crash, it does not happen that way. Okay, and that is what you need to know. So we will be launching the chart right away to see how step index works. How it really works and how we can trade it successfully. So let me launch it right away. So for you to launch it right here, I'm having boom and crash on my charts. Okay, so for you to launch it, you come to this side of this of the charts. You come to this side of the charts. If you can't find it among the list here, then you can click on add and search for step. Okay, step index, that's it. So you click on it. So you click enter, it's going to add it to the list. So you right click on it, then you click on charts window. So this is it on the chart window. Like I said, the movement is unique. Okay, it moves in different direction, both up and down. So you can also use the trend strategy to trade it. It's the movement is unique, just like that of volatility 75, but not as volatile as volatility 75. It is a steady movement like we have in boom and crash, but just that we don't have the sudden reaction, that is the sudden spikes that happens in boom and crash. So it makes it easy for people to trade it, that is if you understand the art of trading. So this might look somehow to you because you don't know the direction and things like that, except for those that are very good with the TA. You will be able to study the chart and tell us what you feel about it. But quickly, I will be adding some of my trading tools to it just for us to be able to trade it successfully. Okay, before I do that, let me quickly say this. There are some things you need to take notes in this. Okay, just like we have in boom, for instance, if you are selling boom, you can place your order and sell, because that is the normal direction for boom. If you place your order and sell, definitely you are most likely to go into profit immediately. Okay, you are most likely to go into profit immediately. But for step, okay, you might not go into profit immediately because it works in a different way. Okay, it works in a different way, but it won't take too long before you go into profit if you know the right direction of the market. And that is why that is very, very important. It is very important you know the market direction before you trade it. It is very important you know the trend of the market before you go into it. It's very important you know your support and resistance level before you go into it. Once you know all this, then you will be able to trade this asset successfully. So that is why I will be adding some trading tools to it to make it very easy for us. Okay, so I'm using my QDC scraper trading indicator. That is what I will be using to make it very easy for us. But meanwhile, let me quickly tell you this: if you are using higher time frame, you will only see the QDC trend scraper there. Okay, if you go to lower time frame, you won't see it there. You can see it's not showing. I don't know why, but that is the way they did it, because they feel that this is from the platform anyway. I think they feel that it is easy to trade, and when you have that on a lower time frame, definitely it will make it very easy to trade, okay, for you guys, even on lower time frame. But if you want to see the QDC scraper trend scraper, I think you should be able to see it from H1. Okay, you should be able to see it from H1. Let me check 30 M30. Okay, you can see it from M30. You can only see it from H1, H4, and above. Okay, those are the places where you can find the QDC trend scraper. Okay, but that apart, let's go straight into what we have right away. So this is what we have on ground, just the way we have seen it. It goes up and down. That is why it is important you know your trend. When you know your trend, then definitely you will be able to trade it successfully. And when you know your support and resistance level, definitely you will know your entry point, the best time to go into it, and the best time to exit it. Okay, so this is unique and it is amazing. So quickly, let me quickly share some examples with you. You can see right here it's got to this support zone, which is a major one, so you should expect that it should bounce back up. Okay, this is just an intro anyway, because this is going to be a full training session, because I'm going to teach you one of the easy ways to to apply to apply to this particular asset in order for you to trade it successfully. But let's just try to see the way it works generally. You can see it moving up and down, but sometimes it moves in one direction for a very long time, and after getting to a particular point, it comes down again until it but it will be going more in the direction of the trend than the other direction. That is just the way it works. It is as easy as that. It is not as volatile as just the way volatility sounds 5 is. Okay, but it is a unique asset that you can easily trade if you know your way about it. Okay, and quickly check out here. Here is a support zone. We should know that from that support zone, if it is not breaking that support zone, then definitely it should move up. Okay, it should move up. Okay, so that is what should come to our mind. And if you should notice, right from that support zone, it came up to this level. This is where it had a major obstacle that didn't allow it to go beyond that. You can see that here is a resistance region that didn't allow it to move beyond that. You can see it tested it several times but was unable to break it. So based on that, it came down again to that support zone. Okay, then later on went back up from this support zone, which is a verified one. It went back up again to this resistance zone. So for it to get to this resistance zone, it means that it will start a downtrend which has just started. Here is a downtrend which has just started. It's only trying to break out from this support zone. Once it breaks out from here, it will be making an attempt on this particular support zone, which is most likely to send it backward a bit. Okay, to send backward a bit in order for it to come back again and have a retest on this support zone to see if it will break it. If broken, then definitely here is the next support zone to look out for. So it is either it end the trend on this particular support zone or it end it on this particular support zone. Okay, so that is the way it works. So if you understand the art of trading, or probably you understand how to study your trend very well, then you will be able to milk the market from here to here, then start another direction from here to here, then now pick up another direction from here to here, and right now it has started another direction. You just need to be patient. Of course, there will be so many pullbacks in between. There will be so many areas that are that it will be beating around the bush around there for a while. These areas are called consolidating area. Okay, so there are some areas like that, so you need to be patient in order for it to break out from there successfully. Then you need to take note of your resistance and support zone. Once you are able to identify these zones, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. This will help you to be able to trade this asset for a very long time. Okay, you guys should not worry, because more videos will come up on this, because I'm going to share with you simple strategies which you can use to trade this asset successfully. You just need to stay tuned and watch every video I will be posting about this particular asset, because they are going to be full training videos that will teach you every steps one after the other till the very end of the video. Okay, I mean till the very end of the training. So I'm going to explain all this to you, how you can trade on lower time frame, how you can trade on higher time frame, how you can use the trend to trade, and how you can take advantage of the signals to trade this asset and milk the assets, milk this market successfully. So these are some of the things that you need to take note of in order to trade this asset successfully. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question, feel free to contact me. And I want you to do this quickly. I want you to go back to your chart, have this set up in your chart, and try to identify the resistance level and the support level. Once you are able to identify this, I'll try to identify the major ones, because these are the places where we are most likely to have a total reversal in price action. For instance, right here, it was coming down, but once it got to this level, it started going up. Okay, it started going up. Then you can see it tried this place out several times before turning the direction of the market to a downtrend. Okay, and when it got to this support region, it started going up again till it got to this resistance level. Right now it is going down, even though we are having a pullback at the moment, but it will definitely send the market or the price action back to this support level again to see if it will break it or not. Okay, so guys, I want you to practice with this so that you will prepare yourself ahead of the next video. Okay, because there I will be revealing to you some amazing strategy which you can use to trade this particular asset successfully without any hiccups. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Kindly practice with this and share your results with me. Remember, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God